Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Donalyn Iran Igarli, BS Environmental Science student. And now let's discuss about climate change. What is climate change? What are the causes and effects and how to mitigate it? Enjoy watching!
What is climate change? When we talk about climate change includes both the global warming driven by human emissions of greenhouse gases and the resulting large-scale shifts in weather patterns. Climate change describes a change in the average conditions such as temperature and rainfall in a region over a long period of time. Global climate change refers to the average long-term change over the entire Earth. We mean any long-term change in the average weather patterns is the particular area. Climate change has brought many environmental risks to human health, such as ozone layer depletion, loss of biodiversity, increased pressures on food-producing system, and spread of infectious diseases.
Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift, and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains ozone particles, which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. While the rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans, humans are also the ones who can combat it. If we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emissions, we might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change.
What can we do to prevent or reduce climate change? First, we make our commute green. We all deserve to breathe clean air, and practicing our green commute is important for not only personal health, but also for ensuring that we have a healthy planet to inhabit in the future. Another advantage of going green is that it helps decrease the number of pollutants released in the environment. Recycle. Recycling is very important as waste has huge negative impact on the natural environment. Recycling helps to reduce the pollution caused by waste. Recycling reduces the need for new materials so that rainforest can be preserved. Third, planting trees. Trees are vital. As the biggest plant on the planet, they give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil, and give life to the world's wildlife. They also provide us with the materials for tools and shelter.